Hi guys, my name is Ibrahim. Welcome to Eduibro Smartphone Graphic Design Tutorial Series 1. In this tutorial, I'll be creating a logo using PicsArt. PicsArt is available for both Android and iOS. You can go ahead to the App Store to download that. So I'm going to come over to where I have these color backgrounds. Yeah, you can select any color. You can also use a color picker to create your own custom color. But I'm just going to select white because it's always a good idea to have your design created first in white and black. That you can now edit to whatever you want. I'm just gonna come over to where I have this draw. Click on draw. It takes me to this new screen. I have layers and all that to work with. And yeah, notice that three icon there. That means option. Show what you can do on a layer. I'm just gonna click on shape, circle, drag it down, set to fill. Okay, my color is good with black. Just drag on the screen, and yeah, that's how you draw a shape on the draw. Okay, click outside when you're okay with the shape. I'll click the new empty layer. This time around, I want to change my color to white. Shape. Shape is still set to fill. Okay. Just drag. And guys, notice the 4 points you have, like the four corner on the object. You can use that to adjust it to whatever type of circle shape you want. The oval or a normal circle. This is not a perfect circle, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna click on shape again. Oh, sorry. I have to create a new layer. You can see how I've done reflecting on my layers. Yeah, that's the power of layers. You can work on different objects on the same project. It's set to fill, drag the same circle, and sometimes even though when you drag on you can't put it at the right location. That's why you have the option on the layers, transform option. You can just use it to drag, and yeah, the other options on the layer too, you can check them out and see what they do. So then I'll create a new layer, empty layer. This time around, I want to set my circle to stroke, and I'll be using a white color. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so zoom in using your two finger. Zoom in, yeah, drag, and with the four corner points we have, I'm also going to use that to get the perfect shape I want. Oh, almost there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Just click outside of the object, select your brush. I want to add a little bit of detail to this. I set my brush to size 25 pixels and the opacity set to 100. Zoom in, use your two finger, and yeah, just gonna draw to give you a little bit of detail about this is a camera lens we are drawing. Yeah, this look good. So after I'm through with this, I'm just gonna click on the layers panel, hide the white background, won't be needing that. Click on option and save your image. Yeah, you save the image on the transparent background, so it's easier to work on stuff when they are on transparent background. You can use it to any other thing in your project. So now we're going to draw again. This time I want to create the four corner stuff you have on your camera. Sort of like show this a camera and select square for that and set to stroke. Yeah, just drag. Okay, yeah, and this is good enough. A new empty layer. This time I want to select white, and I will be setting it to fill. Yes, fill. Okay, now the layers panel, I want to off the white background because white on white that doesn't make sense, to be very hard for you to see. So just drag, and after creating your object, many a times you want to duplicate an object. Instead of creating new one over and over, you can just come over to your layers panel, yeah, and just click on option, copy. Yeah, you can see transform. And transform, you can move it to some other places. You can also scale it, increase and reduce the sizes. You can mirror with your transform. You can also rotate objects. So those are the options you have over there. You can check them out later. I'm just going to do two more of this. Copy, transform, drag it over. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is not accurate, but yeah, just understand. copy just to get the scope, transform. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now start by merging all layers together. So PicsArt always gives you the option to merge two layers together. That's the one on top and the one underneath. So just click on option, merge. That's it. Merge all four layers together. We don't we want to blend it now. Click on multiply. Now multiply blends what you have, the layer on top and the layer underneath it. There's the overlap on each other. That's what multiply does. So save the image just like the other one. Yes, it's on a transparent background. Guys, I'm just going to add a text. Let's say the name of the company, and let's say, yeah, I'm not the best at naming stuff. Short. Okay, done. Yeah, set the color to something we can see black. Yes, and you can select the font. I'll be using this Orbit on. I think this best suits what we want to do here. Okay, click on add. Yeah, you can add other text stickers, but we'll be using photos. Add photos. Click on our lens, and you can, yeah, just crop this. And notice you have no white background. That's the power of, yeah, transparent background. Having things on transparent background, you can see, just drag and reduce the size a little bit. And you want to deselect an object, you can just click outside where you don't have any design like the black spot. Click on your zoom in, and using your two finger as well, you can zoom in. So just get the shape. Yeah, it's okay. Click on your text now. Click on the eraser tool we have, and you can see there are options to the eraser tool. You can increase the hardness, size, and opacity as well. You can also restore something. So now just try to clean the circle we have at the back, so it's not showing. Yeah, click on add again. This time I want to add our four corner image, and it saves to on a transparent background, so you can see. Yeah, let me just adjust a little bit. Yeah, you can adjust moving to the right to left. You can dragging around, you can adjust your image to whatever you want. So when we are through, just click OK. Save your image to black and white so you can work with it later on. Now I'm just going to add photo. I can easily just go ahead and pick a particular photo I'll be using a design on it. I want to use this PicsArt gradient design. Click crop, and yeah, crop it to that particular part of the image you want to use. This can be any image at all, so it can be a plain image or a more complex one, like where you have a smoke bomb image or so. So just click OK. When you're through, drag it to cover the part you want. This is where the blend tool come to place. Now click on blend to screen. So yeah, you have it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial, where I'll be showing you how to create professional logo, those things you know to have a professional logo created using your mobile phone. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.